Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we have a tiny unboxing from the line Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies. We have some really exciting sweaters here for you. And in many different colors. I think 6 or 7 different colors. So let's start.
We ordered these special in because we've had this style before and we know you lovelies like it, and we're fortunate enough to special order items in from Cut Loose. They're such a wonderful company to work with. They're based out of San Francisco and they cut and sew everything in-house. Like many of our brands, we're very strong about that. It's such a great thing to have these companies. They're all family-owned companies and fabulous fabrics and ethics and North American made. So it's perfect. So like the sequence tops, after that we ordered these beauties for you, and like Lousje said, in 7 different colors. Let's see what it is and what colors we have. So first we have this beautiful blue,
they call
like
it seafoam?
Ocean color. I don't think
color.
it's seafoam. It is pool.
Oh.
They call it pool. So that is a beautiful color from the Cut Loose collection. And this is that cotton and linen fabric that they do so well. A lot of you lovelies have the boat neck shirts from them in the stripe.
Yeah.
And this is that same fabric. So a nice free size, we say. There's a dog right out the window here and Charlie is just like all over him. Hey bud, you're such a tough cookie. So a free size, so really nicely on a size 2-4 up to a size 16-18. So here is one of the colors. And let's see what we have next, Charlie. We have Cosmo, which has been a favorite this season. Ladies have been loving this color. Anything we've gotten has sold out right away. This is the first color to go. It's such a striking color.
It's your lipstick.
Yeah, my MAC myrrh, which I love. Yeah, it's my favorite. This is like a pinky purple, which is so beautiful on a lot of ladies. Great for the summer. Hey? You could wear it all year, actually, these colors. Wear them through the fall.
Yeah.
And they'd pair up beautifully with the pants that we just got in a few weeks ago. Fava.
From Cut Loose.
From Cut Loose, the wide-legged crop pants.
For sure.
But look, here's the Fava.
Oh, I love that green.
This green, too, sold out so quickly in the linen one size that we had in January even. Beautiful.
Okay, cool.
And this is the same color as that skirt we got in. Beautiful. And the stripe is so cool.
Yeah. I love any
classic.
stripe like that. Yeah, it's a classic.
Very classic shirt.
This is nothing to do with trends, right? This will always
be in style.
Beautiful.
And watch out tomorrow because me and Lousje are going to style these up.
Yeah.
Different bottoms, and we'll just show you a few different ways to wear them. We have a few more colors to go here. We have the Amalfi, which has been a winner as well this season.
Love it.
A stunning blue.
Yeah. Stunning blue.
Yeah.
Picture this too with white jeans, right? Or white linen pants.
Yeah, really cool.
That's high summer for me.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. And we can't do it without the cashew, also a winner. I feel like all these colors this season, because we had the pants, if you ladies can remember, in the beginning of the season. Yeah. And then we brought them in too in the wider leg pant. Yeah. Great piece. Beautiful. But even with the pair of, I'm going to throw on my black jeans tomorrow and style those up.
Totally.
Beautiful.
Tank dress, pencil skirt, endless, right?
Yeah, such a great piece.
Yeah.
And last color, last but not least, the beautiful cobblestone.
Yeah.
That Cut Loose does so well, that gray.
Beautiful. Another classic.
Another classic.
Yeah. And a color that is suitable for all skin types, right?
Yeah, we thought about what would the ladies love. And I know, actually, one of our dear customers came in with her from past seasons. And I thought, you know what, that's it.
Yeah, she was wearing it?
Yeah, Andrea was wearing it and it looked stunning. And I thought, it had the smaller stripe in a different color, but this is what they had in stock. So they stock the stripe fabric and it's just a white color and then like just a creamy white, and then they cut it all and then they dye it to what colors you want.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's an interesting process.
We're very lucky to carry this line.
Yeah, it's a great company to deal with too. They're so great. It's one of our favorites.
I must say that it's very comfortable doing the couch talk in our new environment.
I know.
And Charlie's getting used to the couch. Well, it was his couch from home, right?
Yeah, so he's all over it.
He knows. Yes.
He's sort of out of sorts here with everything else. He's kind of trying to find his spots and find his way.
Yeah, his treat drawer has been moved to another spot,
Yeah.
and his water bowl. But
he jumps on this couch every time, and you see him cozy and comfy at home. So
Yeah.
we have it here. Also, we don't have carpet anymore in the back, so he's we have to put little furry blankets down for him.
A little.
So funny.
He's a spoiled dog.
He is a spoiled dog.
But that's okay.
That is okay.
He's
but you
fair.
look lovely in that.
Yes, I feel amazing. I love this really bright yellow, chartreusey yellow. Right?
Yeah, it is gorgeous.
Love it.
And that's great how you paired up the,
Do you like
the
it?
bliss. Yeah.
Yeah, these corded colors they're
Fun.
fun.
They're fun.
And you love them because they're flying out the door.
I know. And ladies, I have to apologize because I didn't realize, but the day we dropped the Ziska, I believe on Canada Day, we had the Ziska coming out. And we had a few styles that were not showing on the website. So we fixed that now and they are there. But as I mentioned before, if you saw anything that you'd like and it's sold out, please let us know because we are reordering. And it's nice to know what you like and what you want.
I know. Yeah. And how about you?
But I chose I love these.
Yeah.
And then this guy is beautiful too.
Do you have these?
I do.
Yeah, because they look great on you.
I know. I thought I wore them so many times in videos, and I thought, oh, I think I have to own these.
They really, they're not for everybody, but you look amazing in them.
I love them, yeah.
And then this
guy's on sale, actually. He's a
You're
cutie.
kidding.
Yeah.
That picks up the earrings. Yeah.
And then I have the Love Linen on, which I love this.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, nice. A great color, right?
Easy dress for the summer, you know?
But I have a story for you ladies because this dress reminds me of it. I have this dress as well. And a few weeks ago, me and Ryan took our daughters to New York City because his daughter does a little bit of acting and she was in the, one of her short films was in the Tribeca Film Festival. So it was very
really exciting if you think about it.
Yeah,
Wow.
so we drove on a Thursday morning and we came back Sunday night. And I wore this dress to the film festival. So I'm going to show you a picture of us there and wearing this dress. And I had my tank dress underneath and I felt fabulous. It looked amazing. I got stopped actually a few times.
I'm sure you did.
I did.
I'm sure.
But it was a great trip. It was really fun.
Yeah, you guys had a great time, eh?
Yeah, it was a little last minute trip, but it was so great.
Well, that's where you went to this store.
Yes, and then we found Mackenzie Child in Soho. We love the pillows. I know they're so cool.
Yeah.
They're so fun.
Yeah.
They fit right in the boutique.
They certainly do. Yeah.
All right, ladies.
Okay.
If you enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And watch out for me and Lousje tomorrow. We're going to style these bad boys up for you.
And as always, keep on smiling.